Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how to start your own successful business. Starting a business can be daunting, but with the right strategies and mindset, it can also be a rewarding experience. So, let's get started. 1. Define your business idea. Start by defining your business idea and what sets it apart from the competition. Think about your target audience and how your product or service will meet their needs. 2. Conduct market research. Conduct market research to validate your business idea and identify potential customers. This can involve surveys, focus groups, and analyzing industry trends. 3. Create a business plan. Create a business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. This will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you stay focused on your objectives. 4. Secure funding. Determine how much funding you'll need to start and grow your business. Consider options such as loans, grants, and crowdfunding. 5. Build your team. Hire the right people to help you achieve your business goals. This can involve recruiting employees, outsourcing tasks, and building partnerships. 6. Establish your brand. Develop a strong brand identity that reflects your business values and resonates with your target audience. This can involve creating a logo, website, and social media presence. 7. Implement marketing strategies. Develop marketing strategies that promote your business and attract customers. This can involve social media marketing, email campaigns, and paid advertising. 8. Monitor your finances. Keep track of your finances and monitor your cash flow to ensure that your business is sustainable. This can involve using accounting software, hiring a bookkeeper, or consulting with a financial advisor. 9. Stay flexible. Be prepared to adapt to changing market conditions and adjust your business strategies as needed. This can involve pivoting your business model, expanding into new markets, or launching new products or services. 10. Stay focused. Stay focused on your business goals and don't get distracted by minor setbacks or challenges. Surround yourself with supportive people and stay motivated by your passion for your business. And that's it for my tips and tricks on how to start your own successful business. Remember, starting a business requires hard work, dedication, and persistence, but it can also be a rewarding experience. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more business content. Thanks for watching.